everyone, this is Elena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Oval Foliage die set that's part of the Happily Ever After release that's going live on May 5th, 2022. So let's take a closer look. This is a die set. It contains of 3 dies, and the die measures, it's about 5.5 inches tall and 4 inches wide, along with the shadow layer. So I'm pulling out the dies here from the packaging so you can see them closer and in action. So you can see there are 3 dies. We have 2 frames and 1 main. So the oval foliage die cuts out the negative details for the leaves and the outer edge of the leaves, leaving the center intact. Also, you can use the optional center die to make an oval frame. And the inner part of the main die also features embossed edge. So here you can see all the combinations that can use from these 3 dies to die cut different parts and get different looks out of this die set. So first I use the outer and the inner die to make a frame, and then we have the inside, and I have also the shadow die. I have a little frame that comes out when you use the leaves and that large oval die. And you can again make all kind of different combinations to get different looks, either as a frame or as a solid image. So there are so many possibilities using this die set, and also it fits perfectly onto A2 card size, but you can use it also on other card sizes as A7 or even slimline if you make it a little bit wider, or you can use just part of the die cut. Okay, now let's take a look at a couple samples from our design team. Here's just the frame, and here we have using also the solid image in the middle. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!